Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to save a Canva presentation to PowerPoint. So it's really easy to do. Just follow along with me. So from your Canva homepage, we're going to go to and create presentation. So we're going to use the templates tab on the left-hand side. I'm just going to type in PowerPoint presentation, and I'm going to take a look at all the different templates. So you can choose any template you like and edit it to your exact needs. You can even look at different styles of presentations if you have a particular style for your business. I'm just going to choose one for this tutorial. I quite like this spa resort one. You can see it's multiple pages there I can use to promote a spa. So I'm going to click on that, click on customize this template, then it will open in the editor. So I can go ahead, I can click on each element, I can change the colors if I like, go to each slide and put in all my own information. So go ahead and do that. When you're happy with your presentation, you can export it as PowerPoint. So to do that, all you need to do is click on share. And instead of going straight to download, we're going to scroll down a bit and you should see a section that says Microsoft PowerPoint. If you don't, click on see all and you'll find it. So I'm going to click on Microsoft PowerPoint and it will say download your design as a Microsoft PowerPoint document. If you're happy with all of that, all you need to do is click on download and that's it. So I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.